In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and customize flyers for your brand or for your product and services. You can do that with the help of TinyPPT. Okay, so TinyPPT is free, but it has some paid features as you go on using it. But so you can access it by coming to type tinyppt.com and be brought in here. So you can come to brochure over here. You can come to flyer. Can click, and then you can see quite a lot of different types of flyers, from this one to this one and to even this one, depending on what kind of flyer you want to create. And you can click on any of them. Click here, for example, and then you can come all the way down and you'll be able to see free download from here. And once you click, this is going to process the download for you. Just give it some seconds. It is going to process the download and give you a download link that you can just click to download, and you can go ahead and edit it very fast. So you can click to download. I have just downloaded mine, so take a look at it. This is it, and it is editable. All the elements are editable. You can click and you can have all of these features to edit your elements. Your text is editable as well, and you have the basic decorating features that you can actually use. This is in PowerPoint, for example, in presentation, in WPS. So you have all of these elements that you can edit and customize them according to your design, according to your brand, according to the product that you want to market. You can change the coloration and change any other thing, and you can always export in PNG if you're interested. So this is how to create flyers using TinyPPT. You can have multiple of them. Like I have this one as well. This is a mini flyer that you can also customize and put in your brand. I've downloaded it using different design method. You can also edit it and add different features to this if you're interested, right? And also this one, you can see it very nice and fantastic. All you need is to add your logo, your slogan, and the title of your product. You can see, but you can edit and replace any of these brands or images as well if you are also interested. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.